Hello everyone, my name is Shane. In this video I will demonstrate how you can order all your inventory items that are low in stock from MobileSentrix in less than 2 minutes. First we're going to take a quick look at inventory to make sure you understand how it populates the low stock report. So you're going to go to Manage Inventory, Mobile Accessories and Parts. And I have already changed a few of them. So basically you'll want your quantity on hand, you'll want a stock warning level, and a reorder level. So in this case, stock warning is 3, so when it falls below 3, it will reorder to the level of 10. Now we'll run a low stock report. It's a pretty straightforward process, and here's what you need to do. Go to Inventory and click on Low Stock Report. Under this report, you will see inventory items that are low on stock and need to be replenished. From the Criteria drop-down menu, select your supplier, MobileSentrix, and click on Run Report. This will display a list of inventory items from MobileSentrix that needs to be replenished. Now select the items you want to reorder, or you can select all and deselect the ones you don't want. I'm going to go ahead and select all and click on Add to Purchase Order, which will display a pop-up window. From this screen, select your supplier, MobileSentrix, and hit Confirm. RepairDesk will automatically display order quantity based on minimum and maximum quantity set up in your account. However, you can edit quantity under Required Quantity column. Once you're ready, click on Proceed to Purchase Order. You'll now be taken to the purchase order screen. Review the items you wish to order, and then hit Save to create the purchase order in the system. From the next page, click on Checkout with MobileSentrix button to add everything to your cart on the MobileSentrix website. You can now check out as usual by selecting your shipping method and preferred choice of payment. Once you have received your order from MobileSentrix, you can create a good receive note, which will automatically update your stock levels, and you can even choose to print barcodes for the items. You can deselect and select barcodes that you want to print as well, and change the print quantity. I hope this feature will help store owners or managers that are in charge of special orders to better track inventory items that are queued, ordered, received, and back ordered. If you own a cell phone or computer repair shop and are looking for high quality point of sale software to keep track of repair jobs, stay on top of inventory, look no further and sign up for free. Or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the RepairDesk team at support@repairdesk.co. And from all of us here at RepairDesk, have a super day.